Hello, my name is Inés and I'm a PhD student at CSIC, and today I'm going to talking about the development of prebiotic ingredients from apple waste. The cider sector in Asturias produced around 12,000 tons of apple pomace per year that is used normally as a compost for animal feed or just waste. We have focused our work on apple varieties under PDO cider of Asturias, and we selected 9 varieties based on their resistance and production. First, we made a general characterization with these 9 varieties, and we saw all of them has a high mineral content, high fiber, and galacturonic acid content. Because that, we made a pectin extraction with these 9 varieties. The raw material was freeze-dry, green, and low the pH with a citric acid at 2.5. Then we made a conventional citric acid extraction, and we obtained around 10% of the yield. With the results, we selected these 3 varieties, Solarina, Regona, and Perico, because they are interesting pectins due to their structural difference. With these 3 varieties selected, we made another 3 pectin extraction methods, the same conventional method but at a low temperature, and 2 more methods with ultrasound, bath, and probe modes. The yield was not improved, but we obtained pectins with different structural characteristics that can improve the fermentative properties. Based on these results, and with these 3 varieties selected, we made a batch fecal fermentation. First, we made a simulated digestion with all these substrates, and then fecal fermentation with fecal samples from IBD and healthy donors. We made this fecal fermentation with medium and 0.5% of substrates, and we take samples at different times for taxonomy sequencing. The results of this part, we saw a statistical significant increases in abundance at the genus level. For example, Akkermansia, that is associated with intestinal health, and Turicibacter and Dialister, that are anti-inflammatory microorganisms. Also, we saw the relationship between microorganisms are different depending on the type of the donor and substrate being studied. As a conclusion, the structural variety of pectin and apple pomace influence the fermentation potential and the ability to modulate the intestinal microbiota. These results open the way to achieve its valorization through the formulation of new probiotics for particular population groups, and the use of both pectin and apple pomace favor the representativeness of some microbial population that decrease in IBD. Finally, I want to thank everyone who has made this work possible.